Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the alternator on an Origin small block engine. The tools you'll need are a 3/8 inch ratchet and extension, a 1/2 inch socket, a 12mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a torque wrench. The parts you will need are the new replacement alternator and, if needed, a new serpentine belt. Refer to your Origin engine's parts catalog for the correct replacement part numbers. First, disconnect the battery negative cable assembly from the battery negative terminal. Remove the right side cooling package support brace. Refer to ORG 0074. Remove the right side fan guard. Refer to ORG 0083. Next, using a 3/8 inch ratchet or breaker bar, move the belt tensioner to the right and remove the drive belt. Inspect the serpentine belt. If the belt shows signs of excessive wear, replace with a part number from your Origin engine's parts catalog. Disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the alternator. Remove the alternator main positive wire from the terminal using the 10mm socket. Remove the two lower alternator mounting bolts using the 1/2 inch socket. Remove the alternator main negative wire from the ground terminal, again using the 10mm socket. And remove the upper alternator mounting bolt using the 12mm socket. Finally, remove the alternator from the alternator bracket assembly. Now install the new alternator to the alternator bracket assembly. Install the upper alternator mounting bolt. Hand tighten to start the threads, then snug tighten. Install the two lower alternator mounting bolts. Hand tighten to start the threads, and again snug tighten. Torque all three bolts to 20 foot-pounds. Reinstall the serpentine belt in the position shown. Reinstall the alternator main negative wire to the stud. Reinstall the alternator main positive wire to the stud. Torque the nut on the alternator main negative wire to 20 inch-pounds. Torque the nut on the alternator main positive wire to 65 inch-pounds. Connect the electrical connector to the rear of the alternator. Reinstall the fan guard and cooling package support brace. If needed, you may refer to the Origin Repair Procedures ORG 0074 and ORG 0083. Reconnect the negative battery cable. This concludes the Origin small block engine alternator replacement tutorial. Remember, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact the Origin team by visiting our website at www.originengines.com or call 877-667-6360.